It's the last day of the Southeast All Truck Nationals. We're out here surrounded by awesome custom-built trucks. It's been a fun show here in Maggie Valley. And I really think there's a lot of nice trucks here that need billet tie downs. Here's something you don't see very often, a body dropped 4Runner. How about some retro off-road? Check out this 4Runner with the Mickey Thompsons on it. You can come see us in the Charvoni Design booth, check out our billet tie downs, and save with our show specials up to 30% off.